My dear countrymen, the model of leadership in most of Africa is so broken that when a leader arises who does the simple things that leaders should do, we marvel. We marvel when a leader expects civil servants to be at work on time and to actually do what they are employed and paid to do. We marvel when a leader rejects undeserved honor and instead works to earn the respect of those he leads and serves. Just like we ascribe totemic prowess to someone simply because they are a mofu or a shumba, but not because they have actually performed valiantly to earn it. In our patriarchal societies, we honor leaders simply because they are in positions of leadership and not because they have led. It will take a new leadership culture that changes the practice of leadership at individual, family, community, and national level for us to rebuild our nation and to see a new Zimbabwe in our lifetime. Now, the opening act of building a new leadership culture is the most difficult. That honest confrontation with yourself, which no longer focuses on how other people lead you, but how you lead yourself. Do you get to work on time? Do you hold yourself accountable to timelines and deadlines? When you're at work, do you actually do what you are employed to do, or do you demand honor and rewards that you have not earned? Do you take responsibility for your failures? My friends, a new leadership culture begins with a new type of citizen. It begins with each and every one of us. The way you lead yourself will be the way you lead your family, community, or nation. Our country does not need one Magufuli to whip us into shape, nor that type of leadership just for a season. To see a new Zimbabwe in our lifetime and to rebuild our nation, we must all become Magufulis in our spheres of influence, and holding ourselves and others accountable must become the way we do life and business. When citizens refuse to set personal standards and to lead themselves, their leaders become rulers and ultimately dictators, and governments become big and invasive to fill the leadership void. We will not have the right kind of leaders leading us, nor a lean government, if we expect leaders and government to be everywhere, policing everything and everyone. It is our duty as citizens to demonstrate the kind of personal leadership we expect of our leaders and our government, and to encourage those who demonstrate that kind of leadership to run for office. Our new leadership culture must be a culture of citizens becoming the leaders they wish to have. Leaders who do not insist they know what they do not know, or that they are right when they are wrong. Leaders who delight in getting things done for the people they serve, and in raising those who come after to be better than them. Leaders who refuse to have blood on their hands, but consider the lives of each and every citizen of Zimbabwe to be worth protecting. Leaders who are committed to rebuilding our country and not destroying it. This is Dr. Noah Manyika from Build Zimbabwe, reminding us that when all is said and done, we will get the leadership we deserve. It is therefore our responsibility as citizens not to settle, not to compromise, particularly where our country's leadership is concerned. Is there not a cause?